Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm being one of those YouTubers today, fake sleeping, but in real life I do sleep like this with the lights off obviously, and I just ponder for a minute until I get up, cause yeah. Alright, now I finally got up after a while, and I'm just removing everything off my bed because I'm going to change my sheets. I've been trying to make it a habit of changing my sheets weekly. I used to do bi-weekly, but then I decided instead of 2 times a week I'm just gonna do weekly. There was times also I would just do washing just my pillowcases because you know that attracts a lot of dirt and stuff like that, but now I just normally just wash my whole everything. And I really love me some satin pillowcases. I don't know, I think it started like last year. Now all I use in my satin pillowcases, I do have a few cotton, but all I use is satin now. Now I'm putting on my slippers. I love these slippers, by the way. I got them from Amazon. Anyway, now I'm on to clean my bathroom. Like, are you guys tired of seeing me clean my bathroom? Yes or no? Let me know in the comments. Anyway, I'm going in with Clorox because we got to get all those germs out. And I'm also using the Scrubbing Bubbles Mega Shower Power. So I normally use the Scrubbing Bubbles. This is a different one I changed it to. I really like the foam because the foam is really, like, as you guys can see, it's like a good set of foam. But I kind of got carried away. You guys didn't see it, but on the actual like tiling of the floor, like it was so much soap I had to keep on scrubbing until it came off. But it's better to super clean than not clean. Now, I got this on Amazon because I was tired of breaking my back, to be very honest, and pretty much it extends so you can get the higher areas, and I'm short, so this is like the perfect combination for me to get higher up, make sure I get the walls without me bending my back. Now I am just using the Swiffer to mop the floor. I did mop my bathroom floor, and this was just a hallway, so I was like, sometimes I'll just mop in front of my room. Now it is 9:20 a.m. and I decided to find a Sunday reset routine video and watch that while I folded my laundry. And I wasn't gonna bore you with like the 20 minutes, literally 20 minutes of me folding clothes. I just gave you guys a little snippet halfway through it. I chopped it all down because this video was literally an hour, you guys, and I was not about to bore you guys for an hour. So now I'm putting on a new set of sheets on my bed. Now, am I the only one who just puts the, what do you call this? I forgot what you call this. It's not the comforter. There's a name for it. I'll leave it down below because I can't remember. I only put that. I never put the other like extra sheet on top because it always falls off. Anyway, back to this. So I decided to take a break because I was getting hungry. So I am just brushing my teeth. Now I have Invisalign. So of course I have to go through that whole process, take out my Invisalign, brush my teeth. And I tried to also use a tongue scraper, which I didn't show you much of it because I was making a weird face. But also because after a while I just get tired of it. Sometimes I forget to use it, to be really honest, but I'm very sensitive when it comes to using it, so I don't get too deep when I'm cleaning my tongue because it will just start making me nauseous, to be really honest. And I got this from Amazon as well. So now I'm just using my Swiffer. We clearly like Swiffer in this household because I use the Swiffer mop. And now I'm using the Swiffer, the duster, yeah, to clean off. I forgot to do that. I know I already put my sheet on, but I kind of just pushed it back so that the dust won't always come. Then I just threw my pillows on the bed. I have so many pillows. And I threw my bear on the bed, and then after that I was like, I'm journeying. Have you ever seen that TikTok that says, what does it say? I forgot. Anyway, I'm drinking my 10 Nutrition. Yes, I still rock with them. I will leave my link. And I actually put something in my shake. I didn't record it, but I tried a new product from them recently. Anyway, now let's get into this. I'm just putting down my products that I'm going to use after I shower. I try to do this, I don't always do it, and these are some new vitamins. I just decided to buy some random vitamins on a whim because I've been really bad at taking my vitamins, and I'm just gonna be really keep it 100. I work in a school and I feel like I'm more prone to get sick, so I've been trying to take my vitamins. Now I am going to just drop my clothes that I'm gonna wear outside because I did it in the process.
Hey guys, so I want to really, hopefully you guys can hear me because my fan's on. I want to really quickly share the scent that I've been really loving. Like, I have a lot, but this is the Black Opium Saint Laurent. Oh, here's the cover. I've been looking for the cover. It was right there. I do need to do some, as you guys can see, I was doing a lot of cleaning. Oh, my screen is dirty. It's annoying me. Hold on. Better. There's still some miscellaneous cleaning. Like, I wanted to vacuum my floor. I have like things on my floor that I need to clean. I'm not gonna show you guys that just keeps on falling down, like either from my dresser or whatever. They just keep on falling down, so I gotta clean that, but I'm not doing that. But you guys can't see me. I gotta clean that, but I'm not doing that till I come back. I also need to vacuum I also have to vacuum my floor as well, and then I need to also kind of clean out my, well, re-clean my what do you call this thing? What can I think? Oh, reorganize my clothing stuff, because I've just been throwing stuff around and it kind of got messy again. It's not crazy messy, I just need to refold stuff, but I'm not, like you guys can see, I put on the clothes because I'm going out to Manhattan right now, so I was like, when I come back, I'll tackle those. And I also want to just do my nails finally. I haven't been doing my nails because one nail was being stubborn and it wasn't growing, but it finally grew back, so I'm gonna do my nails too when I come back home. Other than that, that's it for, oh my gosh, other than that, that's it for everything else. So I'm not gonna leave my hair down. I think I'm gonna put it up with this. I just didn't know like what hairstyle I wanted to do because I'm tired of doing the back here hairstyle. There's definitely more hairstyles, and my box braids are super long, so like.
So initially when I came back, I thought I was just gonna lay down, but I did not. I decided let me tackle vacuuming my floor like I wanted to. So I am taking up my beanbag chair, which I also got from Amazon. I got a lot of things from Amazon. It's actually really comfortable to have, like if somebody comes to my room, which is generally just my siblings. It's not all the time, and then sometimes I'll sit there myself, like if I am like charging my phone or something and I want to use it. So it's convenient, but it definitely takes up a lot of space. But anyway, I'm just using this carpet thing that I got from Dollar Tree, and I still have not finished it because I always forget about it. And I'm just gonna go ahead and vacuum under there because it just like I know I definitely had a lot of mess under my bed, things that get caught up, dust. I'm not even gonna keep it 100, crumbs, because sometimes like my younger sibling, he comes and he eats stuff and crumbs just go everywhere. I try to not eat, but you know, sometimes you want to snack on something while you're watching something. So as you guys can see, I'm even getting in the corners on the side of my bed because that's where a lot of crumbs definitely go down. So I'm trying to I try my best to at least every time I vacuum to try to clean this area. But sometimes I'm not gonna lie, it just gets annoying because the beanbag chair is kind of heavy to lift it up. Now, as you guys can see, I'm going to drop back down so that I can see the other area to get that section clean as well. Right now, I'm just vacuuming the other section of the front of my room. The thing I hate is the cords. Like, does anybody have that problem? Like, I have just a multiple, I don't know what the word is. I can't think right now. But I just have so many cords on the floor, and it's so annoying. Every time I vacuum, I have to like move it because I have cords from like my ring light. I have cords for like my TV, my Roku, and then my fan. It's just like too many cords, and it gets annoying. Anyway, so I decided to finally throw this out. So this is a very old candle warmer that we had in the house. And I recently purchased a while back these two of these, so I decided to change the one in the front finally because the old one was giving me problems. I got it from Michael's for a pretty good deal. I think it was like $6 something. I don't remember how much it was. I don't know if it's still on sale now, but and it's different than the one I had before because the other one, like, I don't know if you guys saw it, like I have to just pull it over. This one is literally all I do is like flip a switch, which you guys can see me do it right now, and then they're good to go. So I finally changed the one in the back, so now I'm using both. And this is a Shea Moisture candle that I got from when I was a Shea ambassador. The last year they did it. Now I am trying to de-stress, so I took out my hair clip. I'm putting my hair in the bonnet, getting comfortable finally. And I said I was supposed to give you the link for this bonnet. I totally forgot last video, so I'll leave it. It is a black owned business and she sells, I think I found the card, so I'll leave it in the description. Hopefully I remember this time. I don't know what is under my laptop, but anyway. So now I'm getting ready. I'm doing my nails. I did a horrible job, sorry guys, of showing you guys the angles, but honestly, truly, you guys probably would have not seen anything anyway. The color is pretty light, and I will talk about it in a few, so you guys will understand. Now, this soap, I've been really loving it. It's giving me fall vibes. I got it from Marshall's. It smells so good, but I washed my hands, and I'm gonna go ahead and just quickly get ready to shower and use the Thayer's Radiance Boosting Cleanser on my face. And I didn't show you guys my whole skincare routine because I just wanted to get in and out, to be very honest. So it is the nighttime. As you guys can see, I'm doing a face mask. I will be trying to finish using this. It's actually expired next year, December of 2023. So next year, December. So I do have some time. I believe I worked with this as a brand on Instagram. But I'm trying to really like be better at using my mask. Sometimes I get lazy, honestly, and I like to do it during the weekend because I feel like I have a little more time. But today I actually took a shower very early, which is very rare because I want to take a shower so that I can complete this reset routine. So yeah, but anyway, this is the Orchid Beauty Turmeric face mask. I was really looking for my rose face mask, but for whatever reason it's here somewhere. I plan to probably, I don't know if I'm gonna film it like I did last time, like my August reset routine. I'll probably link it above, where I cleaned out like all my dresser, dusted down, take down stuff. I think that's the best way for me to kind of like go through my product declutter, move what needs to be used or like first in the front, and etc. So but I saw this one, so I was like, I'll just go ahead and use this one. I'll show you guys what my nails look like, but you guys probably can't even see it because the color like looks like it's my skin. Like that's how light the color is after like I did one nail. I was like, you know what, I'm about to not take this off, but I was just like, forget it, I already finished it. Like you can't see it, it looks like my nail, it's not bright. I should have stuck with the first brown color that I was gonna do from iMethod, but I was like, hey, whatever, like I'm already done, it is what it is. So I'll just leave it like that. Now lastly, I want to, is now actually 7:41. I don't know if you guys can see that. And I actually want to, well, first and foremost, what did I want to do? Oh, I actually wanted to, tomorrow is supposed to be, let me make sure, let me check my work email, but I'm pretty sure I saved it on my phone to remind myself. Tomorrow's supposed to be picture day. Normally I wouldn't care, but I think it's normally a custom, like if you help like the class, the specific class teacher will ask you to like come join in the picture. So I have a feeling that I may be asked. So I decided to use this Screen Time Blue Light Repair Under Eye Jellies that I got from TJ Maxx a while back. And as a person who edits and like just looks at the computer for a lot of different things, this is very useful. When I notice like under my eyes gets really baggy like it is now, like I like to go in with that. So today I was like, since I was showered early and I still have a lot of time, I'm just gonna go ahead and use them. The only thing about these, or just eye masks in general, I hate that it always like falls down. Like there'll be moments where I have to keep on pushing it up, even though I patted it down. Does that happen to anybody else, or is it just me? And it's any eye patch I use. And I left this in for 20 minutes because that's what it said, to leave it 20 minutes, or you can leave it longer if you want to. I didn't show you guys when I took it down, but yeah, I just left it for 20 minutes. Alright, and I'm trying to finish the stress relief. When I remember to use it, I got this how long ago, but I think as a gift. It's just a pillow mist. Sorry, you guys didn't really see me, but I just sprayed it. Now I am gonna go ahead, like my last Sunday, ending the day with reading my Bible and using my Bible journal and reading my self-love book. That's pretty much everything else that I did here. Well, as I end this video with reading my self-love guide book, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And I'm pretty sure you guys want another Sunday reset routine. Every time I put a poll out, that always gets selected. So this, hopefully next weekends will be better, because I have a longer week off. So, but until then, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.